Welcome to Guru Gobind Singh Public School and Junior College, subject English, Standard 9th. Students, today we are going to see a poem 2.3 Somebody's Mother is an emotional and inspirational poem by Mary Dove Bryan. Myself, Mrs. Shashikala. By the end of the poem, students will learn the theme of the poem. Students will learn new phrases and vocabulary words. Students will learn how compassion can make the world a better place to live in. Students learn that the humanitarian act of kindness is paid back in some form or another. Let's begin the poem, Somebody's Mother, an emotional and inspirational poem by Mary Dove Bryan. According to the poetess, helping others is a sign of humanity. It spreads moral values in the society. It's so true that when you help someone, you will experience the true happiness because happiness begins from the moment you do something for others. Remember, helping others is just like helping yourself because one day you could be in a similar situation. The poem. The woman was old and ragged and grey, and bent with chill of a winter's day. The streets were white with the recent snow, and the woman's feet with age were slow. At the crowded crossing she waited long, jostled aside by the careless throng of human beings who passed her by, unheeding the glance of her anxious eye. Down the street with laughter and shout, glad in the freedom of school let out. Come, happy boys, like a flock of sheep, hailing the snow piled white and deep. Past the woman so old and grey, hastened the children on their way. None offered a helping hand to her, so weak and timid, afraid to stir, lest the carriage wheels or the horse's feet should trample her down in the slippery street. At last came out of the merry troop the gayest boy of all the group. He paused beside her and whispered low, I will help you across if you wish to go. Her aged hand on his strong young arm she placed, and so without hurt or harm he guided the trembling feet along, proud that his own were young and strong. Then back again to his friends he went, his young heart happy and well content. She's somebody's mother, boys, you know, for all she's aged and poor and slow, and someone sometime may lend a hand to help my mother, you understand? If ever she's old and poor and grey, and her own dear boy so far away, somebody's mother bowed low her head in her home that night, and the prayer she said was, God, be kind to the noble boy who is somebody's son and pride and joy. Students, as we have read out the poem loudly, now we will see the first three stanzas explanation part. Please open your textbook, page number 37. Now here the poetess Mary Dove Bryan describes the old woman and the place where she was standing. It was a winter evening. The whole street was wet with snowfall. It made the street slippery. There was a very poor old woman. She had worn torn clothes, and the chill of the winter was extremely high, that the woman couldn't stand up straight and walk properly. She bent herself to feel warm. She was unsteady on her feet. She walked very slowly. Now the explanation of the second stanza. The old woman stood at a crossing near a school and waited long to cross the road. It was very difficult for her to cross the busy road by herself. A big crowd passing by her, but no one helped her. Third stanza. Suddenly children came out of the school, shouting and laughing as it closed for the day. They all were very happy. They came like a flock of sheep, scattering the snow as they walked. We'll see the meaning. Ragged means wearing old and torn clothes. Chill, cold, jostled, pushed. Hailing means welcoming, hastened, hurried past. Students will see the explanation part of the 4th, 5th and 6th stanza, page number 37. The children passed the lonely woman in a hurry. They did not offer her any help to cross the road. She was too shy and afraid to ask for any help. The old woman could not cross the road because she was afraid of being run over by carriages pulled by horses. At last, one of the merry troop, that is, group of boys, who came out of the school very happily, one of the boys who was very cheerful and lively, saw this old woman waiting to cross the road. The boy whispered to the old woman that he would help her cross the road if she would wish to do so. Then she held his hand. The boy helped her cross the road by guiding her the steps on the road. Students will see the meaning of the hard words. Lest means for the fear. Trumper, run over. Gayest, most cheerful. Content, satisfied. Students, we will see the explanation part of the 7th and 8th stanza, page number 38. He felt so happy after helping the old woman cross the road. After helping the old woman, he went back to his friends and explained to them that one day his own mother could be in the similar situation. Then someone else would help her when he himself is far away from her. After getting home that night, the old woman prayed for the boy who helped her cross the road. The old lady refers to him as somebody's pride and joy. Yes, she had all the reasons to believe that she was pride of his mother because he was so well mannered and kind hearted that any mother would be proud to have a son like him. The moral of the poem is we should help the elderly people because they are helpless, weak, like we all will be one day. To be empathetic towards the elderly people will set an example for others to follow in the future when you are old and weak too. Students, we'll see the figures of speech of the poem Somebody's Mother. The first one, the woman was old and ragged and grey. It's a repetition because the word and has been repeated to create a poetic effect. Second one, came happy boys like a flock of sheep. It's a simile. The boys have been directly compared to a flock of sheep. She placed and so without hurt or harm. It's an alliteration. The sound of H has been repeated for creating a poetic effect. Fourth one, somebody's mother bowed low her head. It's an inversion. The normal word order of the sentence has been changed to create a poetic effect. And the rhyme scheme of the poem is A, B, B and C, C. Summary of the poem. The poem conveys a message of how compassion can make the world a better place to live in. The poetess tells a story about a ragged old woman who needs help, which in my eyes is a metaphor for all who need help, is neglected by others, until a young boy comes along to help her and gives a beautiful message that one day someone we love might face similar problems, and at that time we would want somebody to help them. That's it with the poem Somebody's Mother. So today's assignment, write the appreciation of the poem Somebody's Mother in your classwork notebook. Thank you, students.